Hello friends, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a square, a number in Visual Basic 6. What the program will do is to ask the user to give a number, and then when the user click the compute button, it will convert or compute the square equivalent of a given number. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support, your comments, your suggestion, and your likes. If you are new with my channel, please click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now the program is running, so give a number, let's say 8. When I click the compute button, click here to compute the square value. The square value of 8 is 64. When I click the clear button, it will clear, and then it will ask again the user to give another value, let's say 3. When I click the compute button, the square value of 3 is 9. When I click the quit button, the program will be ended. Let us go with the form. So here we have several objects in our form. In our form, the title or our caption is square, a number in VB6 or Visual Basic 6. We have two labels, give a number here, label 1 and label 2. So we have here a text box, and then we have three buttons: compute, clear, and then lastly we have the quit. Let us go with the compute button. So in the compute button, we have two variables, dim numVal square as integer, num underscore val equals val text1.text, because normally the text1.text is string as its data type, so we have to convert it into integer value. So we are required to use val function in Visual Basic 6. The another variable, that is square, will act as your assignment statement. So val open and close parentheses text1.text multiply val text1.text, so it will multiply by itself. Label 2.caption equals the square value of ampersand num underscore val ampersand double quotation is and square double quotation dot double quotation. So when we run this portion of our code, it will ask the user to give a number, let's say 5. We click the compute button, the square value of 5 is 25. Let us go with the second button, that is clear. So we have here three lines of code. The text1.text equals double quotation, that will clear the value in the text box, and then label 2.caption equals double quotation, and text1.set focus for the cursor. Let's run again the program. By this time I will give a value of 4. When I click the compute, the square value of 4 is 16. Click clear the text box and then the label, and then click the quit. And then the third button is the quit button. So we have simply the end statement to terminate the program. So when we run the program again, and then let's say we have 12, give a number. When we click the compute, the square value of 12 is 144. When we click clear, click here to clear the text box in label, and then let's say for example we have 15, compute, so the square value of 15 is 255, and then we click the quit button. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video on how to create a square, a number using Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.